Hi guys, if you want to increase flashlight brightness on Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. As you can see, when I open my quick panel and turn on the flashlight, I'm getting a very low flashlight. If you are also getting very low flashlight brightness on your smartphone and want to increase it, then let's see how to do it. So for that, let's simply turn it off. Now, first of all, expand this quick panel, and here you will see the flashlight icon. Simply long tap on it and the flashlight setting will appear. You have to simply turn it on and the flashlight will be on. You can see right now my flashlight brightness is set to minimum. So to increase it, I will simply tap on it and then simply slide this brightness slider. You can see. Once you increase the brightness according to your requirement from here, let's say I want to keep it maximum. So after choosing the brightness level, I will simply tap on done and my flashlight brightness will be increased. Let's check it. You can see. Now you can see I'm getting the maximum flashlight brightness on my smartphone. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily increase flashlight brightness on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.